Hi guys, so today I'll be sharing with you my first attempt to make glue. Stay tuned. First things first, I'm gonna cut an empty plastic bottle, or you can use any container of your choice. Secondly, make sure that the bottle is dry. So this has a little bit of water in it, so I'm using tissue to wipe it. Welcome to our channel, Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I'm Bucky. So this is how our plastic bottle looks after cutting. This is a gasoline bottle filled with gasoline. And what we'll do is we will pour gasoline in the plastic container. So thank you to my wonderful subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. Yes, so we're gonna add our styrofoam bit by bit as I'm doing in the video. In case you're visiting our channel for the first time, you're most welcome, and please support us by subscribing to our channel and road to 600 subscribers. Let me do some stirring. I need to add some more styrofoam, but I don't have enough. What I should have done is add less gasoline so that the mixture is a little thicker. When you're doing something for the first time, sometimes you get it right and sometimes you don't. But the most important thing is at least you've tried. That's why I like to try out things. Stir well so the styrofoam and gasoline mix well. I apologize for the dirt on my table. It's from my previous video. I'll leave the link below on transforming an ordinary pot into a vetiver pot. Yeah. Utilize all the gasoline by adding enough styrofoam, not like this. So let's test the glue to prove if it works. We'll start by sanding the shoe as I'm doing in the video. Yeah, make sure you remove all the previous glue and then you start to apply the glue. So remember, I didn't have enough styrofoam, so there was a little bit of gasoline at the top. I think the mixture is supposed to be thick. My glue is on the light side, so we're still gonna try and see what happens. So apply generously. This is an old shoe my husband uses when he goes in the garden, but it's very comfortable, so he thought, why not try to repair it and see what happens. We've also decided to sand one of my own sanders. It unglued and I really like it, so we thought let's also try to work on it. So we're removing all the old glue from it to make sure it's clean and ready to apply the new glue. The only disadvantage with this glue is it smells like gasoline. So we're now going to start applying our glue. Once this glue works for me, what I would do differently is I would just add a little bit of gasoline when mixing it with the styrofoam, and then when the mixture gets too thick, then I'll add a little bit of gasoline than the other way around, because if you don't have enough styrofoam, then there will be a collection of gasoline right at the top, and I don't think that is how it's supposed to look. I don't know, maybe. We have finished. the application of the glue, and now it's time to put the sander together. Make sure you line it up properly. But even if you haven't done it well, remember the glue hasn't solidified yet. So you can still pull it here, push it there, yeah, until you get it right. So I'm gonna use these rubber bands to aid it in the sticking. Or if you want, you can put something heavy, like on the other garden shoe for my husband. I just rested something heavy over the whole shoe. But for this one, despite putting all the rubber bands, I'm still gonna rest something heavy on it too. The next day, because mine didn't really work after 10 minutes, so I continued resting something heavy on both shoes, and now we are pulling it. You know, my husband is pulling, and it has really stuck, even if it's not looking all that neat, because we didn't really clean out the glue that was sticking out, but it's good for the garden. Next time we will do better, like the areas that is pointing out there. You can see the glue showing. It's not looking all that neat, but the glue really. Let's now check on my sandal. Remove the rubber bands and check it out. Wow, this glue really works. Homemade glue has done its magic on the sandal and on this sneaker. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.